within the frame of the project Smart Frame, and will present some other opportunities. So, welcome to all of you, and I would like to start with a statement, with a quote from the Austrian professor of economy, Josef Schumpeter, who told that research is transforming money into knowledge. Innovation is transforming knowledge into money. And the good balance of both will create wealth. So it's, I think, our task to transform money into knowledge, and knowledge into money, especially this second part, which is sometimes more difficult. So, starting with this quote, I would like to invite Professor Konsky, who is director of research in our institute, to say a few words from the beginning. Konsky.
Good morning to everyone. Actually, I am here in two roles. As the Vice Director for Research and Development of the Office of Technology, Institute of Technology Electronics, and Chairman of the Council of National Center for Research and Development. And actually, his address will be mostly from the second one, since the National Center of Research and Development is very happy seeing such an initiative like that, when good science, good research is connected to good modern industry. This is so mission of the conference, mission of National Center of Research and Development is almost the same. So I wish you a fruitful conference, fruitful discussion. And as the Vice Director of Research and Development, in the name of the Director, I also wish you the same. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Professor Konsky. And first of all, I should say a few words about me. So my name is Piotr Grabiec. I'm Vice Director in the Institute of Technology Electronics in Warsaw, responsible for silicon microsystem and nanostructured technology division in Piaseczno. And I'm also coordinator of the project MNSDIAG for microsystem for diagnostics, which will be presented also during this event. So now I would like to invite Anton Freundstrom.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Right.
Okay, thank you. Who is a representative of the leader of the Smart Frame project and also working for business agents of Lower Austria. So it's the reason why I start with a quote from Austrian economist. And can you tell us about the Smart Frame project, what it is, what it's for, and what are the goals? Okay, Anton.
Thank you, Piotr. Can I make it without the mic? Does anybody hear me? I guess quite well, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome also from my side. My name is Anton Freundstrom. I work in EcoPlus, the business agency of Lower Austria, and I represent the lead partner of the Smart Frame project. In this presentation, I would like to give you a quick overview of what the Smart Frame project is all about, what its project partners are, what its content is, what its goals are, and so on and so forth. It just starts before the company presentation, so that we all are on the same page and we all know what this thing is all about. Smart Frame in a nutshell. You know, Smart Frame itself is obviously an acronym. It stands for a smart framework for SMEs focused on modern industrial technologies. And this describes pretty well what the project is all about. We create a smart framework for SMEs which focus on modern industrial technologies. And our goal is, as well as our slogan, we do empower business in Central Europe. That's our task. So, let's be a bit more specific. What are the goals of Smart Frame in detail? First of all, we want to create a sustainable network of project partner sites as well as of project partner networks. You can think of, a project partner site typically not only consists of the project partner itself, you also have the network around this project partner. And what we do is we connect those local networks as well. We also want to improve company settlement. I will dive later into that in the presentation. We also want to trigger spin-offs. We want to create a spin-off friendly atmosphere within SmartFrame. And the bottom line and the actual goal of the project is we want to create and save jobs in Central Europe. So let me provide you with some of the key figures. SmartFrame, we fired the starting pistol back in 2011. We have a project runtime of 3 years. We have 7 project partners of 5 Central European countries. And we have an impressive budget of 2 million euros. We are co-financed by GERDF. Let me also refer to our website. It's www.smart-frame.eu. You can use this for getting additional information about the project partners, and so on and so forth. So I highly recommend to visit this website. So much for the key figures. Now let me introduce you to the project partners. As I said, we are 7 project partners from 5 Central European countries, starting with EK Plus, the business agency of Lower Austria. We are the lead partner. The other Austrian partner comes from Upper Austria, it's Profactor. From Germany, we got the mighty KIT, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. We have 2 Polish partners. We started the Lower Silesian Innovation and Science Park from Warsaw. And then we got the Institute of Electron Technology from Warsaw, the local hero. Let me express, by the way, my thanks for the hosting today. I'm looking forward to this whole workshop and the results. Thank you once again. From Czech Republic, we got the South Moravian Innovation Center. Those guys are active in the area of Brno. And last but not least, we got from Hungary the Computer and Automation Research Institute, and these guys are located in Budapest. So this is the project consortium. As you see, we cover a wide range of areas in Central Europe. So what do we actually do in SmartFrame? I want to invite you to have a deeper look with me into the work packages. We have smart knowledge hubs, smart settlement, smart spin-off, and smart R&D cooperation. These terms do look like buzzwords, don't they? I want to, shed some light into the dark and give you an idea of what we do. A network of networks. As I said earlier at the beginning, we want to connect the local networks. So what we did right at the beginning, we ran a SWOT analysis against the project partner sites in order to figure out what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses of each project partner. Consequently, we derive smart actions from it accordingly to iron out weaknesses and to improve common strengths. The goal is to connect the project partner networks, and we do this by tracking those local networks and make institutions visible to externals and to invite them, just like you have been invited today. Smart settlement. The goal is quite obvious. We want to have companies settle down around the project partner sites. And here again, we ran an analysis to figure out what is the current situation at the project partner sites. Again, what are the weaknesses, what are the strengths. And based on those results, we created a marketing package. And this marketing package is utilized to approach companies in order to settle down right next to the project partner sites. Sorry, my bad. Smart spin-off. This is one of my personal favorites. It's really an interesting one. The goal is to improve the conditions for spin-offs. Let me ask you a question. What if you would approach your boss and you would say, I want to create my own company? He won't be too delighted, right? And this is exactly where SmartFrame comes into play. We show, based on international best practices, that it is possible to create a win-win situation when it comes to spin-offs for both sides, for the founders as well as for the managers. That's what we do. We come up with this model, and as a consequence, we share this model with the founders and the managers at the project partner sites. Now it's getting interesting. Smart R&D cooperation, and the reason why we're here for. The goals: build a sustainable network, bring the experts together, evoke common projects and collaboration. As you might have noticed in the agenda today, we have scheduled a workshop in the afternoon, which perfectly fits to this. We bring you, the experts, together to evoke common projects, to improve collaboration. These are the modern industrial technologies the Smart Frame project is focusing on. We cover sensors, as well as materials, processes, surfaces, and the integration of those. So, this is more or less an announcement.